Hey foodies, this is Aisha and I welcome you to my channel. Today's recipe is no doubt the most popular and loved breakfast in every Indian kitchen. This crispy, flaky and flavorful recipe is no other than aloo paratha or potato stuffed flatbread. Here are the ingredients. In the beginning, place a pressure cooker on flame and heat it up. Add potatoes along with 2 glasses of water and a tablespoon of salt. Give it a good mix and cover the lid. Cook until 3 whistles on medium flame. The potatoes are boiled. Let them cool down before you peel off the skin. Well, some people like to grate the potatoes. I would rather prefer the traditional way by mashing them. Choose whichever is convenient for you. Make sure you mash the potatoes very well in order to avoid any lumps. It's time to add the dry spices. Start with turmeric powder, chaat masala powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, carom seeds and salt. Okay, so I'm gonna chop green chilies and add them. The reason I'm doing this is when you grind the green chilies, it loses out some moisture, and since we want our stuffing to be dry, I would rather prefer this way. So here I straight away added all the spices to the mashed potatoes, but you can also cook and temper the potatoes with some oil before adding all the spices. The stuffing is ready. Now let's go and make the dough. They say the secret to a good paratha lies on how you knead the dough. Putting your flour through a sifter will break up any lumps, which means you can get more accurate measurements and it gets easily mixed with other ingredients too. Add salt as required or a tablespoon roughly and then mix it very well with the flour. Next goes in milk. Milk helps the dough knead softer and also gives a light color to the flatbread. The amount of water required to knead the dough is different for different qualities of the flour. The best way is to keep adding water little by little until the dough comes together. This dough should be slightly soft and smooth than the usual one. Knead it to a good 5 to 7 minutes until it turns soft. Keep aside and let it rest for 30 minutes. The dough and stuffing both are ready. Let's proceed to the next step. Dust some dry flour and then taking some dough ball, roll it to make a 4-inch circle. Fill the potato stuffing approximately the same amount as the dough ball and close the edges together to form a ball shape. You need to bring the ends together in the middle and seal them. Pull out the excess dough that's left on the top. Now gently press it from all the sides so that the stuffing is evenly distributed. Roll it equally from all the sides up to a specific size. Place the flatbread on a preheated pan and allow it to stay for a minute. Spread over some butter on the other side and then flip it over. Repeat the process of applying butter and flipping it over. Keep pressing the flatbread from the corners until it's nice and brown from both the sides. Butter helps the flatbread turn crispy. So go ahead and add on if you're looking for a crispier crust base. I like adding cheese over my parathas. It just adds to the taste. You can skip it as it will still taste delicious. You know, there's no right or wrong way when you make an aloo paratha. It always tastes good, no matter which way you make it. Serve it hot with chilled yogurt, ketchup or pickle. You can also serve the aloo parathas with green chutney or a light gravy. Hit the like button if you like my recipe. And don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. See you soon!